Hi, so for this video I'm going to make a tutorial how to do a list number in Microsoft Word. So let me write something. So as you can see here, I have a 4 paragraph. And here I modify so that all the heading or all the list synchronize with the format. So you can click here, the list. You can click anything, which one do you want, and here you can just highlight and click heading 1, heading 2, heading 3 and heading 4, and you click here, you right click, alright, this is where you can edit or choose which one for the heading. So you can click as you set at the above, heading 1, heading 2, heading